Welcome back, tech enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the top 5 secrets to maximizing OnPassive tools. We're talking about going beyond the basics, really unlocking their full potential. So let's jump right in. But first, please remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Thanks. First things first, you've got to know what you're working with. OnPassive offers a whole suite of tools designed to streamline your business. But just having them isn't enough. It's about understanding the strengths of each tool and how they can work together. Think of it like building a custom tech setup. You carefully choose each part based on its capabilities and integration. Take the time to explore each tool and think about how it fits into your workflow. Maybe you're great at creating content but struggle with email marketing. OnPassive's email automation tools are your new best friend. The point is, don't underestimate the power of a deep dive into what OnPassive offers. Okay, you've explored the OnPassive toolbox. Now it's time to integrate these tools into your existing workflows. The beauty of OnPassive tools is that they're designed to play nicely with others. Think of them like the modular components of your dream tech setup. Start by identifying the pain points in your current workflow. Are you spending hours scheduling social media posts? OnPassive's social media management tools can automate that for you. Struggling to manage customer relationships? The CRM tools have got your back. Integration isn't about replacing everything you're already doing. It's about enhancing it. It's about finding those areas where OnPassive tools can step in and make your life easier. Let's talk customization, because one size fits all. Yeah, that never really fits anyone perfectly, does it? OnPassive gets that, which is why their tools are built to be as flexible as you need them to be. Think about it like this. You wouldn't buy a smartphone and never change the wallpaper or customize the home screen, right? You can tweak and adjust the settings, create custom templates, and really mold these tools to match the unique DNA of your business. Need to create targeted landing pages for different customer segments? OnPassive's got you. Want to send personalized email sequences based on user behavior? Done. The platform empowers you to create a truly customized experience, both for you and your customers. The more tailored your tools are to your specific needs, the more effective they'll be in helping you achieve your goals. In the fast-paced world of tech, standing still is basically moving backwards. New features, updates, improvements, they're constantly rolling out, and OnPassive is no exception. The key here is to stay informed and embrace those updates. Think about it like updating your phone's operating system. Make it a habit to check out the OnPassive blog, subscribe to their newsletters, and keep an eye out for those notification emails. Staying up to date on the latest releases ensures you're always leveraging the best, most cutting-edge version of the tools. You never know when an update might introduce a game-changing feature that completely transforms your workflow. Alright, here's the thing about OnPassive. It's more than just a set of tools, it's a whole ecosystem. And at the heart of that ecosystem is a thriving community of users, just like you. Don't underestimate the power of tapping into this network. Think about the last time you had a tech issue. Maybe you jumped on a forum, joined a Reddit thread, or hit up a friend who's a tech whiz. The OnPassive community is no different. Whether you've got a burning question, need help troubleshooting an issue, or just want to share tips and best practices, the community is there for you. Join forums, participate in webinars, connect with other users on social media. You'll be amazed by the insights, support, and even friendships you can find within the OnPassive community. And there you have it, folks. Those are the top 5 secrets to maximizing OnPassive tools today. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and leave a comment below with your favorite OnPassive tool. Now go out there, put these tips into action, and elevate your business to the next level with the power of OnPassive. For more information about OnPassive and how to make money while online, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a great day.